friends, myself Shrimoy Nandi, and I'm residing at Kolkata, West Bengal, and I'm a very new. Tell me, just think I'm a beginner in this soap making process and the soap making business. So my first guru is Mamta ma'am, Mamta Gupta, the owner of the Mamta Creation. By chance, she is also somehow related with Bengal, and I am also from Bengal, so it's a great heart touch with her, with me. But above all, the main thing is, am I recommended her or not? Or not on the basis that she is also from Bengal and I am from Bengal, not that. The main thing is what the knowledge, what the technique she teaches, and to not for a hobby, at least I'm not joining this course just a hobby. I want to be something in my life. I have my own boutique. The name is the Kaushiki in Dum Dum, and whereas I have a boutique also in Jamshedpur. So in this lockdown period, there is a very much tough time I have to face, as the clothing business is almost going down. People are not able to eat, don't get the food. Then how it's not possible to offer a new dress? Whatever the situation they belong, whatever the standards they belong. But as a human being, it's not good. At that time, I prefer to be with them, not to sell my product. But till I utilize this time, having a part of this new session, the soap making session. So I just completed all the soap making process, melt and pour, detaching, CP, HP. Melt and pour is very easy. Not easy, it's good. I like this. And CP, it's just one issue that you have to give at least 6 weeks to cure the soaps, and customer is not ready to wait some time. So I prefer MNP and HP, whereas HP is very good, I think. I never tried it, but as per ma'am's note and what she said to me, that as per that I can prefer HP. So now even I have done I have completed my MSc registration also, and the first time Mamta ma'am told me regarding this, all of these licenses, so she helped lot of this. So now I'm showing little bit of my creation with the help of ma'am. So just a minute. This is the total tray, not total, few of this which I am able to stick on this. Okay, one by I am showing it. This is a facial boom. It's a very this is a gold facial boom in MNP process. I made this. This is the antibacterial soap. Neem antibacterial soap. It's very effective. This is the antibacterial soap. This is the Upton soap, double layer Upton soap. I use layering. Charcoal rice soap, very good for tan removing and the deep pigmentation. Green coffee with charcoal soap. This is a green coffee with charcoal soap. This is the Upton. See, this is the Upton. This is the Upton soap, and the base is make. I'm using different type of essential oil. This is very good for our skin, and I have very good review of this soap from my customer. Wow, this is a wine soap. I didn't use any type of color, and this is a lavender soap. I use bubblegum smell over here. This is a Desi Upton soap. This is a charcoal lavender soap, and this is charcoal gold soap. This is charcoal gold soap. Even not only the process of soap making, she also helps us to make all the packaging system. And just like to pack this, I use sling wrap, and for this I use shrink wrap. And this is sealing wrap. And the last but not the least, this is the creamy face wash. It's beautiful, it smells very good, and the texture is very good, right? See, I'm using only 50 gram of MNP soap base. This is a rebatching, and that soap was totally worst for me, and from that worst part I make this. Mamta ma'am, you're great. There is nothing to waste in life. So thank you, Mamta ma'am, for your help. I know I just completed this course from you, but very quickly I will come to you, and I want to learn many more things to know. As you are a multi-talented person, and the videos you uploaded over there, you are chopping all of the soap base and doing very fast. It's just an experience, it's a great experience for me. Love you, ma'am. Thank you. Bye.